Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath in and then slowly exhale. Allow yourself to release any stress or tension from your body. As you settle into your position, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Now bring to mind a positive image related to your coding work. It could be a project you're working on, a new skill you're learning, or a problem you've recently solved. Allow this image to fill your mind and bring a sense of accomplishment and pride to your heart. Visualize yourself surrounded by a blue light, which represents logic and problem solving. Feel this light permeating your entire being, filling you with a sense of focus and clarity. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I am a skilled and competent coder. I am a skilled and competent coder. I enjoy the process of learning and growing. I enjoy the process of learning and growing. I am open to new ideas and approaches. I am open to new ideas and approaches. I trust my ability to solve problems. I trust my ability to solve problems. As you meditate, you may find your mind wandering back to work-related concerns or ideas. That's okay. Simply observe these thoughts and then gently return your focus to your breath. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your body and the present moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale through the mouth, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel after the meditation. Carry this feeling of focus and clarity with you as you continue your work as a coder. Remember that you have the skills and ability to solve any problem that comes your way.